I'm Sarah Moskowitz. I'm a certified child passenger safety technician in Providence, Rhode Island. I'm going to demonstrate how to install the Cosco Scenera Next rear facing using LATCH, the lower anchors, which are built into your seat bite. This seat rear faces to 40 pounds or 40 inches, and seats made after April 2016 will also require 1 inch of shell space above the child's head. The first thing you want to do is locate your rear facing belt path, which is under the child's legs. If your latch strap is not currently in the rear facing belt path, you're going to want to move it. The strap is attached on the child's left side right here. Make sure that your latch strap is not twisted and it's laying flat in the seat. And then you're going to want to loosen the latch strap as much as possible by pressing on the gray connector, the gray adjuster button, and pulling on the webbing at the same time. Sometimes it's easier to use like the bone at the base of your thumb. It just depends on what's easier for you to do. Now, a J-hook connector has a solid piece of metal at the top with a flexible piece of metal at the bottom. You're going to want to make sure that the flexible piece is facing down when installing. You're going to take the J-hook and find your lower anchors. If you need help, check your vehicle owner's manual. And you're going to place the J-hook on the anchor bar and press down and pull. You should hear a clicking sound. Now repeat with the other side. Okay. Now, your car seat will have a recline indicator imprinted on the side of the seat. For children who cannot sit unassisted, that line must be level to the ground when installing. If you have an older child who could sit unassisted, the seat can be as upright as you want. Now you're going to want to pull on the adjuster tail, which is by that button. That's the loose piece of webbing right here. And you're going to want to remove the slack so that the seat doesn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. One trick to tighten the latch strap on the seat is to peel back the cover at the belt path and pull the adjuster tail through this belt path right here. Push down in the seat and then pull on the tail through the seat. This is the inside out trick. Now I'm still having some movement over here, so what I'm going to do is get behind the seat. I'm going to push down on the seat and then use my hips or my thighs to push the seat into the vehicle back while pulling on that adjuster tail through the inside of the seat. And I'm pulling the tail towards the door in this case. Now I'm going to check for movement at the belt path using my non-dominant hand. I'm going to move the seat side to side and front to back. I want to see less than 1 inch of movement in both directions. And there's no movement. If you test up here, you're always going to see movement because that's not where the seat's installed. The seat is installed at the belt path. You always check at the belt path. Now replace the cover and double check the recline indicator. If the child cannot yet sit unassisted, it should be level to the ground.